Having a daily routine is very important. It helps us stay organized, manage our time well, and be more productive. A daily routine is a set of activities or tasks that we do every day at specific times. In this video, I will talk about my daily routine, which is similar to the routines of many people around the world. By understanding my daily routine, you can also learn how to talk about your own routine in English. Morning routine. My day usually starts early in the morning. I wake up at around 6. I always try to wake up early because it gives me enough time to start my day calmly and without rushing. The first thing I do when I wake up is to turn off my alarm. Then, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face with cold water to feel awake. After washing my face, I brush my teeth. Brushing my teeth is an important part of my morning routine because it helps me feel fresh and clean. After that, I take a shower. I like to take a warm shower because it helps me relax and feel comfortable. I spend about 10 to 15 minutes in the shower. Once I am done, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes for the day, depending on the activities I need to do. Next, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. For breakfast, I usually eat something simple like toast with jam, a bowl of cereal, or sometimes eggs with bread. I also drink a cup of tea or coffee to feel more awake. Eating breakfast is very important because it gives me energy to start my day. Work or study time. After breakfast, I begin my work or study time. On weekdays, I go to my office or work from home. I usually start working at 8 a.m. I make a list of things I need to do for the day. This list helps me stay organized and remember all the tasks I need to complete. At work, I spend most of my time answering emails, making phone calls, and completing tasks. I also have meetings during the day to discuss different projects. Sometimes I have to write reports or prepare presentations. I try to stay focused and avoid distractions to get my work done on time. For students, the morning might be spent studying. If I were a student, I would go to school or study at home. I would read books, do homework, or attend classes to learn new things. Whether you work or study, it is important to stay focused and complete your tasks. Midday break. Around 12 p.m., I take a break for lunch. It's important to rest and eat a healthy meal to recharge for the rest of the day. For lunch, I often eat rice with vegetables, chicken, or a sandwich. I try to eat something nutritious so I feel good and have enough energy for the afternoon. During lunch, I like to relax for a bit. I sometimes watch a short video or talk to a friend. It's nice to take a break and clear my mind before continuing with my work or studies. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I continue with my work or study activities. If I am at work, I might have more meetings or tasks to finish. I also check my emails and respond to important messages. It's often the time when I focus on completing bigger tasks or projects. If I am studying, I use this time to review what I learned in the morning or finish any homework or assignments. I might also prepare for exams if I have any upcoming tests. It's important to stay organized and manage time well during this part of the day. Evening routine. Around 5 p.m., I finish my work or study time. I try to stop working at this time so that I can enjoy the evening. When I finish work, I feel happy because I have completed my tasks for the day. After that, I like to go for a walk or exercise. I believe that staying active is important for my health, so I try to walk for 30 minutes or do some light exercise in the evening. After exercising, I return home and get ready for dinner. For dinner, I usually eat something light, like a salad, soup, or pasta. I enjoy spending time with my family or friends during dinner. We talk about our day, share stories, and laugh together. It's a nice time to relax and connect with others. Night routine. In the evening, after dinner, I like to spend time relaxing. Sometimes I watch TV shows or movies. I also enjoy reading books before bed. Reading helps me relax and improve my language skills. If I am feeling tired, I go to bed early to get enough sleep. I always try to go to bed by 10 p.m. A good night's sleep is very important for my health and energy levels. Before going to sleep, I brush my teeth again and wash my face. I also make sure my room is clean and comfortable so I can sleep well. Weekend routine. On weekends, my routine is a little different. I usually wake up a bit later, around 8 a.m., because I don't have to work or study. I like to take my time in the morning, relax, and enjoy breakfast with my family. On weekends, I also spend time doing activities I enjoy, like going out with friends, watching movies, or visiting places I like. I often use weekends to relax and recharge for the week ahead. Sometimes I take time to clean my house or organize my things. I find that having a clean and organized space helps me feel more focused during the week. Conclusion. Having a daily routine is very helpful because it keeps me organized and makes sure I get things done. My routine includes simple tasks like waking up early, eating meals, working or studying, exercising, and spending time with family and friends. Everyone's routine is different, but having a schedule can help you manage your time better. By practicing talking about your daily routine in English, you can improve your language skills and learn new vocabulary. You can also use this routine to create your own routine and talk about it with others. Remember, consistency is key, so try to follow a routine that works best for you.